And now with the following collection of
Am I wrong? Cause I wanna get it on till I die. Am I wrong? Cause I wanna get it on till I die. Get it on till I die. Get it on till I die. Y'all remember me? Y'all remember me?
Little F be a straight rider. Can't breathe when them bullets inside you. And I got somebody that will paralyze you and rip off your face with a pair of pliers. Me not a liar, but I'm a rider. If you mess with me, then the knife inside you. If it just right, bro, you messing with a nigga that don't care about your life, bro. If you got 9 lives, you could die 9 times. Got the thing on me now, you could die with a smile. And I like to ride. You don't wanna see when I got the tech by my side, or I could turn you into a target exercise. No, might test the 9. More guns on me, I'm looking like I'm James Bond. He big-headed, but how did he lose his mind? Cause he could get cut into the bone until I touch his spine. But I'm not really trying to really do the time. But I got niggas that'll stuff them like they give him time. Yeah, I'm about to pass it up, you already know.
Am I wrong? Cause I wanna get it on till I die. Am I wrong? Cause I wanna get it on till I die. Get it on till I die. Get it on till I die. Y'all remember me? Y'all remember me?
Know we come from different homes, but I'm still rolling with the stones. Every day I make a killing, so I'm holding on the chrome. All the bitches got the knowledge, so I'm switching up the dome. But all they wanna do is talk, so I'm switching up the phones. And if you catch me in the zone, you better leave that boy alone. Cause I'm quick to grab a Mac and fucking run up in your home. I shoot your mama in the dome while she talking on the phone. Little brother tied up, now we looking tied up. And we tied up, nigga, never that, cause I'm a winner. When it comes to the chase, then I'm out running sprinters. I ain't spitting off no easy shit, I take it easy shit. Nigga, get your shit baked up on some easy shit. So basically, you could end up in the basement, G, wrapped in plastic with a large hole where your face should be.
Am I wrong? Cause I wanna get it on till I die. Am I wrong? Cause I wanna get it on till I die. Get it on till I die. Get it on till I die. Y'all remember me? Y'all remember me?
Get it on till I die, get it on till I fry. Gon' see it set up, I got the on seeing eye. Got red deep underground like a wish you well. Got niggas that's faithful will never tell. I'd rather go to jail like it was Monopoly. That shawty will come out if you step on my property. Your bread going down like bad grass, pie charts. And I got big guys coming for the bread, but they ain't loan shots. Coming deep in your hood like an Alabama mark. And I got the tech with the knife on the side similar to an arch. Got bread and thread, a bunch of clothes stacked in the dresser. Playing boy at school 24 under a lot of pressure. Take my beef slow but persistent like a fresh quilt. Kanye West screaming heartless, I got no guilt. I got your girl screaming out, you the man, boy. Cause I do shit unhuman like an android.